Ellie. We're late for work! Work! Right, safety first, of course.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Nah, it's not even that long of a drive.
Oh, shit! A bear! I'm alive because
she wore a seatbelt. Did you know that 15,000 people are saved each year simply by putting on their seatbelt? Not only that, but 47% of traffic crashes are deadly because of passengers who forget to wear their seatbelts. And guess what? Teens are the least likely to wear them.
So wear your seatbelt, kids, because I just had a friend die right before my eyes because she was like launched from the car and she was just like,
Wear your seatbelt, kids, or you'll end up like me.